If you want to add your Instagram link to your Discord profile so people can easily find your page, here's how to do it. First, grab your Instagram link. If you're on a browser, just go to your Instagram profile and copy the URL from the address bar. If you're using the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the three dots in the top right, and choose Copy Profile URL. Next, open Discord on your desktop or phone. Look at the bottom left where your username is and click the gear icon to open user settings. In the settings, find Profiles or Edit Profile. Then look for the About Me section. This is where you can add a short bio. Paste your Instagram link right into that bio. You can keep it simple or add something like, check out my Insta, your link. Also, consider adding a little context or fun message so your friends know what your page is about. Maybe a short tagline or emojis to make it eye-catching. This makes your profile more engaging and helps people understand why they should visit your Instagram. Once you're happy with how it looks, scroll down and hit Save Changes. Now, anyone who views your Discord profile can click your Instagram link and check out your page immediately. And the best part, you can update or change this link anytime if you switch accounts or want to feature a different page. Linking your social media this way keeps your followers connected across platforms easily and professionally.